Hi, I'm Lisa from the UC Vault. Today we're going to talk about why word choice matters. There are some common errors that many people make in their writing that are not as easily noticed when you're speaking. So homonyms are words that sound alike but that are spelled differently and have different meanings. So our first example, we have its and its. ITS shows possession or belongs to someone or something. IT apostrophe S is a contraction for it is. In this example, the dog wants its bone, the one that belongs to him, but its or it is nowhere in sight. There, and there. So THERE is a location. Is it here or there? And the word here is in both words, which might help you remember when to use this choice. THEIR shows possession for they. And THEY apostrophe RE is a contraction for they are. So they're or they are going to lose their sneakers, the ones that belong to them, over there in that place where it's messy. To, and to. TO means until, toward, onto, or before. TWO means one more than one or a pair. TOO means also, very, or more than enough. The two dogs, or the pair of dogs, went to the kennel or toward the kennel for checkups, and they will have their teeth cleaned too, or also. Weather and weather. WEATHER is climate or temperature, and WHETHER means in case or if. So whether we eat inside or outside means if we're going to eat inside or outside will depend on the weather or the climate or temperature. Now sometimes you may have a hard time deciding whether to use who or whom. So who is used as a subject in a sentence, and whom is used as an object of a sentence. So a tip you can use is try using the word he in its place. If he sounds right, then you'll choose who, because they are both subjects. Then you can try using the word him in its place. If him sounds right, choose whom, because him and whom are both objects. In the first example, who ate the cookie? He ate the cookie or him ate the cookie? And of course, he ate the cookie sounds right, so we would use who in this case. She left with whom? She left with he or she left with him? And of course, she left with him sounds right, so we could use the word whom in this sentence as an object, and it sounds correct. Now we have the words than and then. So than is a word we use when we're comparing or making a comparison. Then with an E is time related. So in the first example, I like water more than soda, THAN, is used because we're comparing the water and the soda. In the second example, then the hen went inside the pen. These are all E inside the words. And it may help you to remember when to use then with an E when it's related to time or doing something next. Ask yourself, does it answer when? And since when rhymes with then, it may help you to remember the correct choice. Past and past. So P-A-S-S-E-D is the past tense of pass, which is an action verb. So we passed the football around. Past, P-A-S-T, is time related. It means time gone by or of a former time. It was part of his past job description. So this was a previous job description. Lose and loose. These two sound a little bit alike, but one has one O and one has two O's. So lose is an action verb, and it means to misplace or to fail to win. Did you lose your mittens? Did you misplace your mittens? Loose with two O's is an adjective, and it means it's not too tight or refined or constrained. The moose is loose in the yard. So the moose is not constrained in the yard or not confined to the yard. The goose is loose in the yard. See if the two sentences above will help you remember when to choose the double O's. Please visit our site, UC VAWLT, at the link listed here. You can find great tips and resources to help with your writing needs. You can also visit us on Google+ at this link at the UC VAWLT community. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation on Word Choice Matters today by Lisa at the UC VAWLT.